In this video, you'll learn how to import questions from Word and instant questions. Again, we'll go down to the Smart Response icon, open new notebook software, and in the wizard to the right, you might have noticed instant, true, false, yes, no, multiple choice, and numeric. These are great to be used at like the end of class just to assess students for learning if they got the main concept instead of an exit slip. Or during class, lots of different times these could be used. All you need to do is click on it and it'll ask if you want on this page or new page. And it'll ask if you want to start a class. For example, that class we put in earlier, or you could just do this in anonymous mode. So you could verbally ask the question. You could write the question on here with a pen. Uh, Lots of different options for using the instant questions. The neat thing is you don't have to have anything prepared in advance. You can base it upon what happened in class. The other thing you can do when you have a new file open is you could go up to this new tab that's called a drop down that's called response, and we could go down to import questions from Word. And again, you'll find where your Word document is that you already have prepared with a quiz or a test on it. And it won't always bring them in perfectly, but here's an example of a Word document I have. And it's going to drop them in. It looks at the paragraph spacing and other factors to determine where a new question starts and ends. As you can see, it dropped them all in. Gave it a title page. And then what you can do is you can come up here. This is a neat new feature, is you can set all the answers, because you have to set the answers for it. So most people live in cities. Go through here and check all your answers, and then when you're finished, say done. And now this assessment would be ready. Now you may need to go through each question and see if things look okay on the assessment. If like on this page here, you may want to adjust this, and again we can change anything we want. We can change the font size so it all fits on one page here, so the 3x is up here. So you can change anything you want on each page. You can add graphics, pictures from the gallery, tables, charts, links, content in between questions. You can do lots of different things. But this is an example of adding something from Word. That's it.